Hey guys, welcome back. So this video I'm just going to very quickly show you guys how to switch up a protective style. As you can see, I'm carrying cornrows that I made last week. I've carried these on my hair for like a week now. I'm going to show you guys how to very quickly switch this up into a very classy and beautiful updo. Okay guys, so I am done loosening my cornrows, so I'm going to go in. I'm going to moisturize my hair using my ayurvedic hairspray or my ayurvedic hair tea, whatever you choose to call it is fine. Guys, I totally love this thing. Guys, you have absolutely no idea how well my hair has been doing since I started using ayurveda on my hair. Guys, I love this so much. Well, yeah, I'm just going to moisturize my hair. But guys, as you can see, I'm actually not trying to get rid of my coils that I have already built from the cornrows. I'm just kind of saturating the hair with moisture. So yeah, so that's why I sprayed it on the tips and on the roots and just basically just massaging it down the hair strands. I am not getting rid of my coils, guys, because I'm going to need it for that updo. And I'm going to seal in all that moisture using my whipped chebe butter. You already know how much I love this butter. I love this butter, guys. The way this thing seals in moisture on my 4C hair is amazing because it's shea butter and it also contains chebe, which is fantastic for moisture. My hair stays moisturized all week, guys, no kidding. And that is it. I am now done moisturizing my hair and sealing all that moisture. I'm just going to quickly brush up my hair because I'm trying to create an updo, so I need the back to be as smooth as possible and my edges also to be as neat and smooth as possible. So I need this section in front because I'm trying to like create like a bang look. Not really bangs, but just keep watching, you see what I'm going to do with this one. Yeah, so just a little section in front. I'm just going to like twist that up, and then I'm going to go and start working on the back. So like I said, guys, I'm just trying to brush up the edges. It's very important to do that because you want your updo to be as smooth as possible. You don't want like loose hairs hanging around. And yeah, of course, I'm going to use my shoelace, guys. I had to like go buy a new set of shoelaces for my hair because I was using my shoelaces, and then when I want to wear the shoe, I don't have lace to wear the shoe because the lace is on my head. That's so ridiculous. All right, so I'm just like trying to create the updo by like moving the hair upwards, and you guys already know how to do this. I don't need to explain this. Guys, this lace is so long. Like I literally went round my head like 5 times with this lace. It's so funny. Yeah, so I'm done with the updo now, and I'm just going to go back to the front, and here you're going to see what I actually planned to do with this section in front. So bam, I have this coiling cream. This coiling cream is big. Not only does it make your coils pop, it's also very moisturizing and it smells so good. So I'm just going to take a little of it and then section my hair, just 2 twists. I want to just create 2 twists and make sure I run the coiling cream through the hair because like I said, it's very moisturizing. So not only is it going to make my coils pop, it's going to make my hair very moisturized. And I'm just going to twist up the hair because I'm trying to achieve something here. Just keep watching, okay? I'm going to do the same thing to the second one. Oh my gosh, just take a look at that. Nice. Alright, so I'm going to do the same thing to the second one. I'm just going to run that coiling cream down my hair to make sure my hair sucks it in, and then I'm going to twist it. Like, see how soft my hair looks. This looks good already. Probably I should just leave it like this. Nah, I don't think so. Okay, yeah. Just combing up the edges. Like I said, those edges have to be really smooth. Like that. So to prepare for bed, just going to go in with a silk scarf or satin scarf. This is satin, I think, yeah. And then just for those edges to still be smooth when you wake up in the morning, you need to use a scarf. So just tie the scarf as tight as you can bear, and then I'm going to also wear the satin bonnet. So this one is satin in and out. So yeah, satin bonnet is just to protect the hair and the one in front, basically for the one in front. And then that's it, I'm going to bed. And this is day 2, guys. So I'm going to take down that scarf so you can see how nice and well laid those edges are. Yes, girl. So back to this twist in front. I'm just going to use this oil by Auntie Jackie. I think this is avocado and grapeseed. Just going to use like 5 drops of it to like touch up the front of the coils, like pop it up, whatever, and then loosen those twists. And this is all. I actually wanted to separate these twists, but when I saw how beautiful they looked and how much they are popping thanks to that coiling cream by Mayi, I decided to just leave it like this. Like, I couldn't bring myself to separate these coils. This is so beautiful and banging. What's missing? Yes, an accessory. Guys, okay, like, take a look at this accessory and tell me it didn't make a difference. I literally look beautiful. I literally look cute. Okay, that's the word, cute. So you can decide to style the bangs anyhow you want. You can, if you don't like hair on your face, something is missing again. Yay, earrings. Oh my gosh, this is one of my favorite earrings. This is literally the cutest look I have done in a while. And I love this look because it's fantastic for kids, fantastic for adults, anybody can rock it. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you love this look, don't forget to recreate it and tag me on Instagram at _mimiocharles. And on to the next video, don't forget to subscribe too. I will see you in the next one. Bye.